So today I got a new car, not a new registration, but it's electric and hybrid. So let's do it. I can't spin it around! But, wait. Oh my god, my finger. Yeah. There's our date stuff. I think I get the inside now.
Why are we getting in the car?
I know I'm doing a YouTube video. So, it's nice seats, everything. It's like my old car. I reckon you saw it, but it's white, but literally just this. Okay, I'm making sure this face just stays at my face so I can show it the front. So, hopefully it stays so front. My sister might be in this because she's weird and she wants to be in everything. But this is the front.
Can I go front?
And there's the back again. Here's our date. Our different wheel, everything. And I'll show you the boot. Hopefully, there's the boot. It's electric extra. Wait, where is it? That's the electric.
Everyone, I know it's YouTube channel. Everyone, no one's an idiot. Don't like and subscribe.
Everyone should look. Everyone say should. Anyway, Jamie, that was really good and everything, but the electric in the electric at the front down there. And, and the gas is here. I just wanted to show you my new car. It's decent. If you can't see anything, might problem because the game moves sideways. But I'm going to post this. Cheers.